Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing any barrier between your skin and treatment. Wash your face and hands, then drink about 250 to 500 ml of water so tissues are hydrated. Once done, warm a clean cloth in 1/2 cup warm water and hold it over closed eyes for 60 to 90 seconds to stimulate circulation. This opens follicles and increases blood flow, which helps restore brightness. Make sure to be gentle and avoid pressing directly on the eyeball. Next, you alternate temperature and add targeted care. After the warm compress, use a cold compress for 30 to 45 seconds to constrict vessels and reduce puffiness. This contrast brightens quickly. Then use your ring finger to gently massage the under eye area for about 30 seconds to aid lymphatic drainage. Apply a lightweight moisturizer containing hyaluronic acid or 2% niacinamide to lock in hydration and improve skin tone. Make sure to pat, not rub. Finish by protecting and subtly enhancing your results. Apply a broad-spectrum SPF if you'll be outdoors, and if you want instant visual improvement, use a light-reflecting concealer sparingly to even tone. Rest your eyes for 10 to 15 minutes away from screens so circulation stabilizes. If you notice persistent redness, burning, or increased irritation, stop all products immediately and consult a healthcare provider. These signs suggest sensitivity or an allergic reaction rather than simple dullness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.